When we created the LUCCA A53 Mini, we wanted to take a powerful and reliable single-group espresso machine and make it even better. Spaziale has been making espresso machines in Italy for 50 years, and their Vivaldi 2 espresso machine is a time-honored classic, so it was a no-brainer to start our collaboration with such a reputable company. Let's take a look at our 5 favorite things about the LUCCA A53 Mini by Spaziale. First is the front-loading reservoir. This may seem like a boring feature, but in reality it's really valuable. Many home baristas want to place their machine in a place with overhead cabinets, and while there are a lot of machines that will fit under, they often just squeak by. The problem there is that most of those machines have reservoirs that are accessed from the top of the machine at the back, so it's completely inaccessible with overhead cabinets. The A53 Mini's front-loading reservoir and short stature means that it can easily fit in almost any kitchen. Second, we have the pre-infusion chamber. Generally, to accomplish pre-infusion, you need a direct plumb machine. The A53 Mini has an optional pre-infusion chamber that allows you to add this ability to a reservoir machine, a rare combination of features. This chamber causes pressure at the group head to slowly ramp up over the course of 10 to 12 seconds, gently saturating the puck and helping ensure consistently even extractions. Third is volumetric shot programming. The A53 Mini sports 2 programmable volumetric shot buttons. These can be set to dispense a specific volume of water and then automatically stop your shot. Not only is this convenient, but it's also a great way to make pulling shots easier for guests. Plus, it frees up your hands to steam milk while your shots pull, making it far quicker to whip up a handful of drinks in a row. Fourth is the included bottomless portafilter. We're big fans of bottomless portafilters, and we know that many home baristas are too. That's why we included a bottomless portafilter and a 20-gram basket with the LUCCA A53 Mini. Having the ability to see your extraction as the shot is pulling is a valuable learning tool. They're also incredibly easy to keep clean. Just a quick rinse and you're ready for the next shot. Last but not least is the 3-year warranty. Alright, this might seem like we're patting ourselves on the back, but consider it our vote of confidence in the A53 Mini. We worked closely with the Spaziale to make a machine that we knew home baristas would love. We continue working closely with them, making updates over the years to ensure it continues to deliver a great user experience. That means designing an intuitive user interface, as well as making sure the internals are tidy and easy to service. We're confident you'll love it, and we want you to feel confident too. If you enjoyed the list format we used in this video and want to see it in future videos, be sure to hit the like button. If you have any other questions about the LUCCA A53 Mini, I'd be glad to field them in the comments below. For more coffee knowledge, tap subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.